The hail coming on my deck. We're gonna open the door just to drop. That's all hail. Ugh. We've got the shaking, scared dog somewhere. Possibly visible. I should put this on YouTube. That would be a funny hit. Well, probably going to. Wow. I'm gonna. Okay, let's see the other sliding door with the what is it? Oh my God, the blind, whatever it's called, that the dog ripped up. That's a better view. Holy cow! See our chimney. You can hear that. You can see anything. I bet you couldn't see anything. We could hear it. All right, let's go to the front of the house. We don't have any lights here. It's creepy. We need more light. We need more light on. It's creepy. You know, rocks coming down on your house. I will, but taking a video first, Mom. Oh, there's lightning. That's New York for you. Oh, see, these windows are... Oh, come on. Who can stop plugging this? Oh, this is really not going as planned. Ugh. See, these windows are already fogged up. So let's see if we can... Nope, it's... Ugh. Can't see through the screens. This is hilarious. Wow. Lightning, some lightning. But hail gone wild. Jesus! Oh my God! It is like... Oh my God. Oh God, crap. I'm going back inside. Mom? I stepped out. It sounds like it's breaking the driveway lamps. It sounds like glass breaking. Oh jeez. Sweet mother of God. Oh, there's my neighbor's car. Back in the room. There's my neighbor's white Camry in the middle being hit to death. Oh, lightning. So that's New York for you. Let's go back. See from the other window. Let's see from the dining room. Oh, fly! Somewhere near there. Swat it! Mom, swat. Please. It's on the paper next to your shelf, next to your BlackBerry. Wow, look at our table. Yay! She got it. Oh, I'm not supposed to sit on this. Oh my God, it's like snowing on our porch. Oh, God, I can't get out of these curtains. Alright, well, that's the end of that. You know what? I'm going to close that so you can get a better view of that. And, yeah. It's hailing here in New York. You don't know what's going on. Okay.